I know a place. Ain't nobody worth.
I am Gravistar.
The f?
I am Gravistar.
Oh, hell no.
I have come to your planet to jam. Take me to your lair.
Oh, that's it? All right, man. Come on. All right, man. This is Earth, so, we get tickets if we don't buckle up. You good in there? Hold up. There you go. All right, buddy. Let's do it. No, man, I'm just saying, it's my show, so I gotta do the talking. You just be quiet. You ain't even from around here, man. Just chill out. Oh, hey, JD Aliens Manor. Hey, I want to introduce you to my friend here.
I am Gravistar, alien robot from the future.
Bruh, didn't I tell you I got this? Let me do this. He dropped down because he wanted to come to Earth and jam with me and you. He wanted to bring the jams to Earth.
My zinc alloy shell allows sound waves to resonate within my space. My full-range subwoofer drivers provide crystal clear and distortion-free sound. My Bronzelian core allows me to run for 20 hours, so you can jam all day. My TWS Bluetooth 5.0 technology allows two Gravistar speakers to work together at the same time.
Bruh, either you gonna be quiet on your own. You know what? I got this. Let me just, excuse me, guys. Let me just shut him down. Okay. So as he was saying, well, you know what? You heard what he said. Anyways, I'm glad he stopped by Earth so he can hang out with us and jam. Look at this guy, man. Wilson, check this out, man. Look. So he's got all kinds of stuff, man. I'll turn him back on in a second. He just talks too much. I wanted to get my point across first. So there's his front right there. There's the driver grill right there. And then he's just got this little ball-shaped body, man. It's that zinc alloy body he talked about. There's the radiator right there. You got a power button right there, which also acts as a play and pause. Then you got your Bluetooth button right there, so you can pair it to your phone or whatever you're gonna use as your source. But you can also pair two of these bad boys together. Lord help us if another one of these drops down on the planet. And right there, you got your illumination button. That way you can turn the lights on and off. On his butt right there, you got your USB-C charging port. And then you got the 3.5 millimeter right there, so you can play, if you got a source where you just want to plug in, you can use it that way. Now these legs right here, man, his three legs, they just fold in and out. That's pretty cool. That way, if you just want to plop him down somewhere, you can just plop him down just like this, and he just go sit nice and comfortably and shut up. But since he came here to jam with us, let's unfold his legs and get him turned on so he can share his story. So we just press the power button right there. Yeah, and then he boots.
Bluetooth connected.
Yeah, he's doing all that. He's doing a lot. That's pretty cool, man. You got the little gills right there lighting up, and then you got your front. It's like a little eyeball staring at you, a laser beam that could just blast you at a moment's notice. And then on the backside, well, you also got the legs. Each of the legs actually light up. And as far as I know, you cannot change the colors. I think you're stuck with green, which is totally fine with me. On the backside, flanking the base radiator, you got these two LEDs on the side, and on the top, that's pretty cool, man. You got your volume. So if you just slide, you'll see. Hold up, man. Hold up. Let me play some music real quick, and then you'll see that you can actually slide this up. And yeah, you see that? It slides. Oh. Get it, Gravastar! Woo! That's some alien jams for you, man. That's that alien bass. Hold up, let me play another track. Hold up. Dude, this is so cool. And it sounds good too, man. Get it, Gravastar. That's the alien gems right there. Man. Man, oh my God, look at that, look at that. Man. Oh. Okay. All right, let me see if I can turn the lights on and off. Let's see if they'll actually like change color or something. Okay, so when it's powered on, you will always have these backlights going on right here, and you'll always have the volume lit up. But as you can see on the legs and the front, they are off. And you turn them on, and then you turn them off, just like that. And you can still be rocking if you want to. Yeah. You can turn them off or on. I like them on, man. Oh man, Gravastar. Hey man, you gotta get you one of these, man. It's got some weight to it too. It's got a real sturdy weight. It actually really does feel like a very quality crafted piece of artwork. Yes, it is a Bluetooth speaker, and yes, it jams. It really does. The clarity of it, the bass, the mids, the highs, everything is blended together really well. And it's a really good sound. Like in my studio, it's I think this room is like, I don't know, 24 feet long by I think 11 feet wide, and it is filling up this room to where I don't feel like I need like a, another speaker like to pair it with, or a bigger speaker. It sounds fantastic. And I just like having it here, man. It's because it's a piece of artwork to me, honestly, man. It's just something that you get that serves a dual purpose. It's just pure eye candy, especially if you're into gaming and stuff like that. If you're into gaming and PC stuff, you got to have one of these, man. And it sounds good. You got to be kidding me. I am no expert in this kind of stuff, but what I do know is if aliens came down here, man, I hope they are half as cool as Gravastar here, because.
But did I jam though?
Yeah.
So, for more awesome videos, visit jdltv.net.
Okay. So there's that. So make sure you do that. But seriously, man, this is a cool speaker, and I love having it here. I'm gonna put him back there. Will it look good back there? Would it look good? I think I'm gonna put him back there so he can hang out and be part of the show. Hey, man, thanks for stopping by. Gravastar is here to stay. Hey, make sure you check out their website. The link is in the description. All the specs are there. And they also have another one called the Venus. It's a smaller version of this in another, it's kind of got a different form factor, just a little bit, but it's a smaller version of this. And I'm sure that one sounds great too, man. But this is the Mars in gray. They also have like a beat up one, like a War Machine one, in different colors like yellow and stuff like that. Man, yeah, you got to go check out their website. Either way, man, I got to get out of here and put Gravastar up and let him, chill out, get acquainted with Earth and, the earthing things. And I guess we'll see you when we see you. Whoa. Let me get this straight. You sat through this whole video, the whole thing, and never once decided to hit the subscribe button or the like button? Man, it'd be the ones closest to you. I'll see how you are.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Is this not why you are here?